Hello students, good morning. In last class, we have discussed about the elevation in boiling point, but today we are going to learn about the depression in freezing point. Okay. Depression in freezing point. Depression means lower the freezing point, lowering the freezing point. Before starting the topic, first of all, we have to know that what is freezing point. Okay. Freezing point can be defined as the freezing point of a liquid can be defined as the temperature at which the liquid just changes to the solid. Okay, the liquid state or a liquid can be changed into the solid form, that it is called the freezing point of a liquid. Okay, for example, we will take the water किसी नवा जदि आमे पानी को ठंडा करिबा बा रेफ्रिजरेटर रखुचे ताले से आइस रे कन्वर्सन होछ. ओके, हेले कोन लाटे लिक्विड टा आइस रे कन्वर्सन हला ताको हम फ्रीजिंग पॉइंट ऑफ द liquid or water vapor. The freezing point of the water is 0 degree Celsius. Okay, or freezing point can also be defined as when the vapor pressure of the liquid and solid will be same, then it is called the freezing point of a liquid. Freezing point of the substance. The vapor pressure of liquid and solid. The liquid and solid have same vapor pressure. The liquid and solid have the same vapor pressure, then it is called the freezing point of a substance. Okay. Then what is depression in freezing point? Before starting the topic, depression in freezing point, when a non-volatile solid is added to a solvent, then the vapor pressure of the solution will be lowered or depressed as compared to the solvent. When some non-volatile solid, solute, already हम जानते हैं non-volatile solute रो example हम नहीं करेगा sugar, NaCl, these are the non-volatile solutes. When they are added to a solvent, when some non-volatile solute is added to a solvent, then the vapor pressure, then the freezing point of the solution is lowered or depressed as compared to the solvent. Okay, गोटे सॉल्यूशन रो फ्रीजिंग पॉइंट टा लो जदि हमें कंपेयर करिया गोटे सॉल्वेंट सहित. फॉर एग्जांपल गोटे एग्जांपल नबा, सपोज हमें किछि ग्लास ऑफ वाटर नउछे आ गोटे ग्लास ऑफ सुगर वाटर नउछे, ताको जदि हमें रेफ्रिजरेटर रखिबा ताहाले हमर सुगर वाटर सॉल्यूशन रो फ्रीजिंग पॉइंट टा लोअर हो, काहे लेट रे से फ्रीज हो, काहे ना सेते किछि नॉन वोलेटाइल सॉल्यूट ऐड होछ. ओके, से सॉलिड रे कन्वर्सन आ पे टिके समय लागे. ओके, पहले टेम्परेचर हमें एटी रिड्यूस करिया पड़े. ओके, सो वी कैन राइट द फ्रीजिंग पॉइंट माने एफपी बोली पहला. द फ्रीजिंग पॉइंट ऑफ द सॉल्यूशन is less than that of the freezing point of the solvent. Okay, Then what is the reason behind it? Why the solution, the freezing point of a solution is lowered as compared to the solvent? Okay, reason देखिए. We know that the freezing point of the solution is less than that of the freezing point of the solvent at the same temperature. जब हम same temperature दबा ताहले freezing point of the solvent more हो and freezing point of the solution less हो. Okay, जब हम कौन करिबा temperature टा lower कर. Okay, freezing point means temperature टा हम lower करूचे, freeze करूचे, liquid टा जब solid conversion होउचे तार temperature टा sluggish down होउचे बा slow होउचे, lower temperature supply करिया पड़िबो. Okay, हम refrigerator रखुचे liquid को ice रे conversion करिया पई. So जब हम same temperature दबा the vapor pressure of the freezing point of the solvent will be more as compared to the freezing point of the solution because they do not have the same vapor pressure. Okay, the solid and liquid जब vapor pressure का same रहेगा ताहले ताको हमें ता freezing point बोली कहते. Okay, at the same temperature जब दबा ताहले vapor freezing point of the solution less. ताहले freezing point vapor pressure freezing point ता केतले समान हो vapor pressure केतले समान हो जेतले हमें temperature ता को एक lower करिबा. When we will lower the temperature of the freezing point of the solution, then it will be equal to the freezing point of the solvent. Okay, so we have to lower the freezing point of a solution. Okay, so when we lower the temperature of the solution, then the freezing point the freezing point of the solution will be equal to or the vapor pressure of the solution will be equal to the freezing point of the solvent. Okay, freezing point ता समान आसो ताले माने सॉलिड कन्वर्सन आबे सॉल्यूशन टा सॉलिड कन्वर्सन हो सॉल्वेंट मध्य ऑलरेडी कन्वर्सन हे हेतु टेंपरेचर को लोअर करले आसे तो समान हो फ्रीजिंग पॉइंट ऑफ द सॉल्वेंट. ओके, दिस इज द रीजन of the freezing point of the solution why it is lower. Okay, next देखिबा the graphical representation between the vapor pressure and the temperature. Okay, डिप्रेशन एंड फ्रीजिंग पॉइंट को हम एक्सप्रेस करिया पे गोटे ग्राफ ड्रा करिवा इन बिटवीन द वेपर प्रेशर एंड द टेंपरेचर. द ग्राफिकल रिप्रेजेंटेशन for the graphical representation we have to take the vapor pressure. The graph should be the vapor pressure versus the temperature for a solvent or a solution 1 which have lower concentration and solution 2 which have higher concentration. Okay, एठी हम नबा solvent solution 1 and solution 2. Solution 1 which have lower concentration and solution 2 have the higher concentration. Okay, it the draw करिवा ओटे. So for the solvent we will take P0 or P0 and P1 is the solution 1 for lower concentration and P2 is the solution 2 for higher concentration. Okay, next देखिए और ग्राफ ड्रॉ करिवा इन बिटवीन द वेपर प्रेशर एंड टेंपरेचर. ओके, एट देखिबा सपोज एठी हमें नै छै P0 P1 P2 P0 is the vapor pressure of the solvent and P1 is the vapor pressure of the solution which have lower concentration. P2 is the vapor pressure of the solution which have higher concentration. Okay, so there are some curves are drawn. देखो हमें कर्व किसी हमें ड्रॉ करिबा. सपोज आर फ्रीजिंग पॉइंट एटी आसला हमर ए पॉइंट आर फ्रीजिंग पॉइंट आसला ए पॉइंट रे आर फ्रीजिंग पॉइंट आसला. सपोज ए कर्व ए पॉइंट आर फ्रीजिंग पॉइंट आसला. सो गोटे इमेजिनरी लाइन हमें ड्रॉ करिबा. दीज आर द पॉइंट्स, दीज आर द फ्रीजिंग पॉइंट्स. Okay, these are the freezing points. Okay, this one the P0 is the vapor pressure of the solvent and vapor pressure of the P1 the vapor pressure of the solution 1 and P2 is the vapor pressure of the solution 2. Okay, so we will draw an imaginary line for the freezing points. Suppose this one is A, B, C, D, E. Okay, this one is the freezing point. 8 tar freezing point asila. Suppose hame temperature ete supply korche T0, ete T1, ete T2. T0 temperature re solvent ro freezing point C point. C point is the freezing point of the solvent, whereas at the temperature T1 the freezing point of the solution 1, the point is mentioned here, the freezing point is B, and for the temperature T2 the freezing point of the solution P2 means the vapor pressure of solution 2, the freezing point is A mentioned here. Okay, we found here that two triangles. In last episode we have discussed about the elevation in boiling point. Also we have got two triangles. Here also we got two triangles. Theta triangle पाउचे. But ACE triangle and BCD triangle. Okay, ACE triangle and BCD triangle. Okay, तो देखिए भाई दिखा triangle रे. दिखा triangle रे कौन आश्चर्य हम देखिए भाई. In triangle ACE and BCD we have a midpoint by CE by CD is equal to CE by CD equal to AE by BD. CE by CD equal to CE by CD equal to AE by BD. Okay, এটা ট্রায়াঙ্গেল আমরা দেখিবা পড়ছে. এটা আমরা দেখিবা CE means C the vapor pressure of the solvent, P0 minus the vapor E means the vapor pressure of the solution 2, P2 divided by C means P0 minus P1, CD the C point here, the P0 the freezing point of the solvent and D is the freezing point. D देखो ये गोटे पॉइंट आसिला. ओके, जदि एटी हमर आस्तांदा कोन freezing point of the solution 1 P0 minus P1, then AE by BD. AE A is the point, freezing point. AE by BD means T2 minus T0 divided by, or you can say T0 minus T2 तापर देखिबा T0 minus T1, B for T1 and D for T0, T0 minus T1. Okay, एटा देखिबा जे P0 minus P2 P0 minus P2 divided by P0 minus P1 एठा हम देखिबा हमर कोन आसीबो del P okay the change in vapor pressure is equal to del T okay del T so we can write also del P directly proportional to del TF directly proportional to del TF okay del P directly proportional to del TF here the del TF is the freezing point del TF is the freezing point okay del TF is the freezing point you can say the freezing point and P0 is the vapor pressure of the solvent and P1 is the vapor pressure of the solution 1 and P2 is the vapor pressure of the solution 2 vapor pressure of the solution 2 okay এটা আমি দেখলে del P directly proportional to del TF from देखो हमें इक्वेशन 1 में पहले del TF del P directly proportional to del TF del P means the change in vapor pressure directly proportional to the freezing point okay next देखिबा from the Raoult's law we know that P0 minus Ps by P2 is equal to xp means the relative lowering vapor pressure is equal to the mole fraction of a solute from Raoult's law we have P0 minus Ps or P naught by Ps P naught minus Ps or P0 equal to xb okay here the relative lowering in vapor pressure is equal to the mole fraction of a solute that implies P0 minus Ps equal to P0 xb okay that implies P0 minus Ps equal to lowering vapor pressure or we can say the del P equal to P0 xd we know that since P0 equal to the vapor pressure of the solvent which is a constant so we can write del P directly proportional to xd del P directly proportional to xd in equation 2 from the equation 1 we found that del P directly proportional to del TF or in equation 2 we found that del P directly proportional to xd okay from equation 1 and 2 we have or we can write del TF directly proportional to xd del TF means the depression in freezing point directly proportional to the mole fraction of a solute okay from equation 1 and 2 we have from in equation del P directly proportional to del TF in equation this is the equation 1 and del P directly proportional to xb in equation 2 okay so we can have that del TF is directly proportional to xb okay means the del TF directly proportional to xb del TF directly proportional to xd means the depression freezing point is directly proportional to the mole fraction of a solute okay this one is the equation 3 or we know that del TF is equal to Kf directly proportional to m, we can write directly proportional to m, or del TF is equal to Kfm. Del TF equal to Kfm. Here Kf equal to molar depression constant, or it is known as cryoscopic constant. The Kf equal to molar depression constant or cryoscopic constant. Okay, Xd equal to the mole fraction, or you can write the del TF directly proportional to the m. M means the molarity of a solution. Or del TF equal to Kf into m. Okay, Kf equal to molar depression constant, or it is cryoscopic constant. Okay. Here del TF equal to Kfm. ଏବେ ଆମେ ବାହାର କରିବା determination of molar mass of a solute from the depression in freezing point. Okay, molar mass calculation କରିବା. Determination of molar mass of solute from depression in freezing point. Depression in freezing point. Okay. For determining the molecular mass of a solute from the freezing point, we have to know certain known values, like the weight of the solute, weight of the solvent, and the freezing point of a solution. Okay, so we will take that let WB grams of solute dissolved in WA grams of solvents. So we will calculate the determination of molecular mass of a solute. We know that M equal to the molarity equal to M means the molarity is equal to the number of moles of solute into 1000 whole divided by the weight of the solvents in kg or gram. Okay, so the number of moles of the solute, or we can write M equal to NB into 1000 divided by WA. We know that NB means the number of moles of solute. Number of moles of solute means WB by MB, the weight of the solute, and divided by the molecular mass of the solute. Okay, that implies M equal to WB by MA. Okay, WB by MA into, otherwise we can take the M directly proportional to TF, otherwise हमें put कर दे पारिबा del TF मध्ये put कर दे पारिबा del TF equal to एटा हम put करिबा formula del TF is equal to KFM, already हम जाने से from the depression in freezing point. Okay, NB equal to WB by MB into 1000 into WA. Okay, M equal to value असला, already हम जाने से del TF equal to KF into M. ओके m रो वैल्यू का हमें पुट करबा एठी so that we can get the value of del Tf, the value of Kf, otherwise the value of the molecular mass of the solute. Okay. Putting the value of m, putting the value of m in del Tf equal to Kf into m, then that implies del Tf is equal to Kf into Wb into 1000 whole divided by Mb into Wa. Otherwise, we have to know the Mb value हमें कैलकुलेशन करिया पड़ेगा Mb equal to Kf into Wb into 1000 whole divided by del Tf into Wa. Okay, let W Mb रो वैल्यू हमें कैलकुलेशन कर दे पाले the molar mass of the or the molecular mass of the solute B. Okay, Mb equal to Kf into Wb into 1000 divided by del Tf into Wa. Here Kf is the molar diffraction constant, Wb is the weight of the solute into 1000, del Tf is the depression in freezing point, and Wa is the weight of the solvent. Okay, by using we can calculate the value of Mb by the known value of Kf, Wb, del Tf and Wa. एटो हम बाहर कर दे परिबा वैल्यू Kf रो वैल्यू कैलकुलेशन कर दे परिबा, del Tf रो वैल्यू कैलकुलेशन कर परिबा, Wb, Wa रो वैल्यू कैलकुलेशन कर परिबा जदी एमान रो वैल्यू किछि दिया जाय छी. ओके, आको नै किछि हम न्यूमेरिकल्स परिबा केतना. The question: the normal freezing point of a nitrobenzene is 278.82 Kelvin. A 0.25 molar solution, a certain solute in nitrobenzene causes freezing point depression of 2 Kelvin. Calculate the value of Kf for nitrobenzene. Okay, the normal freezing point of nitrobenzene is 278.82 Kelvin. A 0.25 molar solution, a certain solute in nitrobenzene causes freezing point depression of 2 Kelvin. Calculate the value of Kf for nitrobenzene. Calculate the value of Kf in nitrobenzene. Okay, এটা লিখবা. The freezing point of nitrobenzene is 278.82 Kelvin. A 0.25 molar solution. 0.25 molar solution means the N equal to 0.25 in nitrobenzene causes freezing point, and the freezing point is 2K. So we have to calculate the value of Kf, the molar elevation constant value का हमें calculation करेगा. એટલે ઓલરેડી અમે જાણી છે देखो એટી आंसर कोन होबो सॉल्यूशन देखिबा हियर m इक्वल टू 0.25 m okay then del tf equal to 2k so kf equal to how much we know that del tf equal to kf into m that implies value put kariba del tf equal to so kf equal to del tf by m okay del tf by m that implies kf equal to del tf value put kariba 2 by 0.25 it means 2 into 100 by 25 okay Kelvin 8 Kelvin mole inverse here we calculated the value of kf means the cryoscopic constant or molar depression constant value okay it हमर m दिया है del tf दिया है freezing point depression freezing point 2 Kelvin kf का वैल्यू हम कैलकुलेशन करले तो kf का वैल्यू है हमर 8k means the 8 Kelvin mole inverse ओके एते हमने नेक्स्ट आ गोटे हमें न्यूमेरिकल करबा Calculate the freezing point of the solution containing 0.45 gram of glucose in 50 grams of water. Okay, the freezing point of the solution. Okay, calculate the freezing point. Freezing point means हमें calculation करना del TF रा value का. Okay, del TF रा value calculation करना. तो हम क्वेश्चन लिखना. Calculate the freezing point of solution containing 0.45 gram of glucose. Glucose रा फॉर्मूला मोलर फॉर्मूला है C6H12O6 in 50 grams of water. Okay. एठी kf का वैल्यू आप मेंशन कराई छै kf of water already given আছে 1.86 Kelvin per mole. Okay. Again calculation करेगा. Because calculate the freezing point of the solution. Freezing point of the solution means the del TF हमें calculation करिया पड़ेगा. Del TF already हमने जाने del TF equal to KF into WB into 1000 whole divided by the WA into MB. WA into MB. It means it देखिए हमें कौन-कौन हमें given अछि calculate the freezing point of the solution containing 0.45 grams of glucose. Here the solute quantity is glucose is dissolved in 50 grams of water. It is solvent quantity है हमारा water. Water है हमारा solvent quantity. Solute quantity दिया है 0.45 grams means WB equal to 0.45 grams is dissolved in 50 grams of water means WA equal to 50 grams. और kf तो दिया जाय छै हमरा हमें कैलकुलेशन आउट गोटे जिंस दरकार हमरा Mb मींस मॉलिक्यूलर मास ऑफ द सॉल्यूट हियर हमरा ग्लूकोज ने आइ छै ग्लूकोज रो मॉलिक्यूलर मास हमरा कैलकुलेशन कर परबा बाय यूजिंग द मॉलिक्यूलर फार्मूला ऑफ द ग्लूकोज ओके हमरा गिवन अछि Wb इक्वल टू 0.45 grams WA is equal to 50 grams and kf already हमर दिया जाय छी 1.86 ओके 1.86 दिया जाय छी तापर देखिबा mb means molecular mass of glucose C6H12O6 it means the carbon atomic number होची 12 into 6 plus 1 into 12 hydrogen plus 16 into 6 so 72 plus 12 plus 96 equal to 180 okay mb equal to 180 बुझ पाले हम एटी कैलकुलेशन करिबा del tf वैल्यू के ओके सो del tf equal to del tf is equal to kf into एटी हम प्रूव कर दे परिबा kf वैल्यू होची हमरा 1.86 kf वैल्यू 1.86 into wb 0.45 into 1000 into 1000 एखाने कर दे परिबा del tf equal to 1.86 into wb equal to 0.45 into 1000 whole divided by wa equal to 50 grams 50 into mb equal to 180 that implies 186 into 45 into 1000 okay divided by 100 into 100 into 50 into 180 okay कम काटेगा okay फिट करते परिवार में ओके 93 by 1000 93 by 1000 असला 93 by 1000 it means 0.093 okay 0.093 असला केल्विन 0.093 केल्विन असला ओके एठी हम देखबा जे हम डिप्रेशन इन फ्रीजिंग पॉइंट कैलकुलेशन करबा del tf का वैल्यू का हम कैलकुलेशन करबा so the freezing point the depression freezing point equal to 273 minus 0.093 it means 273.000 or 0.093 okay 272.907 so 272.907 Kelvin so the depression freezing point is equal to 272.907 Kelvin okay this is all about the depression in freezing point and the numericals and determination of molecular mass of the solute from the depression in freezing point okay हम नेक्स्ट क्लास में देखिबा osmotic pressure hope आशा करते समस्ते बुझी पार्थिबे। थैंक यू।